Hey queens, and shout out to my kings too. Welcome back to Navia the Rain. Welcome to the Home Diaries. I'm super excited to take you all on this journey of new beginnings. In this new series, I'm going to take you all along with me in packing up my old apartment and saying goodbye, moving into our new, bigger, and better place, decorating and home decor, and just making our house a home. So I'm super excited to bring you guys along. Comment down below and let me know what you would like to see. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this makeup look of the day. So today I'm trying the NYX Bear With Me Luminous Tinted Skin Serum. There are like 5 shades of this skin tint, so there weren't many to choose from. As you can see, this one is a bit dark, but I made it work. So this is the deepest of them all, and it's in the shade Deep. So with skin tints, they usually don't give a wide variety of shades because it's very sheer. So this one was cool. The smell was a bit weird, but it was good. Yeah, she asked me like to confirm. And not well, basically she asked me like, are we still good? Yeah. And then I told her yes. So I told her we were getting in the U-Haul and she was like, okay. Shoot, she already got $100. Yeah. So can you you weren't gonna say how you was gonna look?
What you mean? Hi. Husband.
So that's my husband's CD. So we were talking about scheduling of picking up a table from Facebook Marketplace, from a seller on Facebook Marketplace, and he was just saying hi. So as you see, I use a lot of Fenty products and I love them. They're bomb, consistency, amazing, look, everything. So it all comes together really well. So this is one of my new favorite blushes by Rare Beauty, and it's in the shade Love. It is so beautiful. You can head over to my TikTok and my Instagram to be able to see what it truly looks like, how it blends out, the amount of product you should use, etc. It's everything, y'all. So let's go ahead and finish up this makeup look so we can get out the door.
Now in this pandemic, the Great Resignation.
Oh yeah, that is what they're calling it.
Yep.
They're about to add me to that damn list.
Guess what? Oh, this open people's eyes. Like people don't want to work. Like.
Yeah, I mean, like I feel like it's fine, like to work, but like the conditions that they have people working in, like a lot of the times there's no reason to be going into an office for 40 hours a week when you can do a lot of stuff at home and spend more time with your family.
Yeah.
And like kind of just like live your life.
Yeah.
And I always say like working for the weekend is not, it's not it. Like who wants to work for the weekend?
Exactly, babe. Yeah, you're right, babe.
Or live for the weekend rather.
But look, both of us. I mean, I like Sunday morning and afternoon. I hate Sunday night.
Yeah, because then you're thinking about like, oh yeah, I gotta go to work now. That was you even last night. You was like, dang, it's Sunday. I'm like,
that's why I didn't want to go to bed.
You just need to focus on the weekend, but who wants to live for the weekend? Like, should I wear, I'm gonna have a turtleneck. Should I wear this as a hijab or, I guess, whatever. It didn't feel like it was that cold outside. Is it like chill?
It's alright, yeah. I just feel it's never lost it, but my big jacket.
Y'all see him running? Hey y'all, so today is February 6th. My brother's birthday was yesterday, so happy birthday to my brother. But yeah, nobody talking to you, Siri. Anyways, so I'm on my way to like my husband wants to go get a U-Haul, like one of those little vans, and I'm walking to the truck. There it is right there. So we are not moving yet, but we found a table on Facebook Marketplace
and it's like a dining room table. We currently don't have a dining room in our apartment, so we needed to get furniture for our house. So we're buying a house, y'all. Can I open this door? One moment, please. So big news, we are buying a house. Alhamdulillah. We're moving about an hour away, but we're supposed to move in. Our closing date was supposed to be on January 31st, but it got pushed back. It's new construction, and new construction gets pushed back quite often, and we were unaware of that. That's we knew new construction get pushed back, but we didn't expect it to happen to our house, I guess. But yeah, it got pushed back to the end of February, and then we got a message from our realtor yesterday or the day before yesterday, and then it got pushed back again. So I mean, I don't think y'all can really see my apartment that well upstairs, but like, we have so much stuff in there, is no space to put anything else, so we have to get a storage unit to put anything that we buy. But I think we're gonna like chill on the buying stuff for now, because you never know. Oh my gosh, we're gonna be late, y'all. We told her 2 o'clock. Let me see if I can put y'all right here. Is this better? I don't even know. Y'all can't see me because of the light, really. But yeah, we told her 2 o'clock. It is 1:48, and I think it's gonna take us like 20 minutes to get there. So we had like this, what is it called? Kind of like this padded blanket that you can use when you're moving, but I think I took it to my parents' house, just using like an old comforter that we have, and then for now on we're just gonna use that comforter as like, I guess, moving, and like maybe like a picnic blanket or something like that. But he just ran up to get it. We're definitely gonna be late. I told the lady he was gonna be there. I told the lady we were gonna be there at 2, but we're always late to stuff, and that's something that I want to work on this year, is not being late all the time.
Should I put it on the floor?
Yeah, you can just put it on the floor. All right, so he got the comforter, so we about to be on our way. Put on my
Cargo door open. What?
What, the door, the back door is closed? Oh, I don't think it is closed all the way. A whole mess. This is us all the time. Like, seriously. So yeah, that was the big news. I kind of wanted to just like let y'all know what's going on. We would have been moved by now by the time that I'm telling y'all that we bought a house. I think that's really important. Like, don't really like share things prematurely. That's a tip that I can give, just because like if I would have shared it say in December, and then the closing date got pushed back, like, then we didn't really move. Like, you get what I mean? But like, you know, sometimes you just need to keep stuff to yourself for the time being until it actually comes to fruition. So yeah, so I just wanted to update y'all on what's going on today. We're about to go ahead and head over to Jersey to go pick this up, and then we're gonna head to the storage unit. So I will get back with y'all later.
All right, y'all, so that was the big news that I had for y'all. We are so excited and so grateful. I can't wait to show y'all everything and to just like go on this journey with y'all. So now we're on our way to Jersey to go pick up this dining table. A whole mess. We're always late. That's definitely something we're gonna work on this year.
All right, we made it, y'all. We're about to load this thing and then we'll show it to y'all once we get it inside. All right, y'all, so we got the table. The seller actually wasn't here. She was on FaceTime. We were at her mom's house, and I think her siblings were here to help. Her brothers were here to help. So like, they put it all in the truck for us. My husband helped them, and then yeah, now it's like back there. We got the chairs, got the table and everything. So we're about to head to the storage unit now, and then I'll be able to show y'all exactly like what it looks like.
And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby,
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, okay, perfect. Okay, it's not terrible. It will fit.
Yeah.
It's just the opening is kind of small, but it will fit. There's definitely enough space in here. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna set y'all down as we take this baby out, but I do want to show them what the table looks like. But it's face down, so they can't really see what it looks like. But this is the material of the table right here. It's super pretty. And then this is the material that's on like the edges. It's wood on the edges, and then lacquer is this stuff right here. So basically the top of the table looks like this, and the table is arched. And then we also have chairs, and the chairs look like this. And then we'll clean all of this and stuff once we get it inside the house. But for now, we're just gonna pop it into the storage unit and then leave it here until we actually move in. So I'm gonna pop y'all down. Oh, this
You gonna put in that first? Yes.
See, what's the point in waiting anymore? 'Cause girl, I've never been more sure. Baby, it's you.
It has a leaf that you can put in the middle to extend the table. So this is the material of it. It's so freaking pretty. I love it. And I think it'll match our floors really well.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, you my lady, girl, you amaze me. Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Good? So how are we gonna do it? Are we gonna put the table back towards this way and then put the chairs towards the front, or what? Alright y'all, so y'all can actually see the table now. This is what the table looks like. It's an arch type of table. It's a very good size. And then that middle part that I showed y'all, this one right here, this is the leg. The other leg is not on, it needs to be screwed on. But that's the middle part right there. And then it can go right in between, and it can make the table bigger. So this is what it looks like. And then these are the different chairs that actually came with it. Altogether this was $200, which I think is a really good price. Like, we didn't even haggle with her or anything. We just went ahead and like just paid what she was asking for, because I think it's like really pretty. So we'll probably get new chairs. Those chairs will be temporary chairs, but I think for now this should be perfect. So, and just to let y'all know, this thing is really heavy, but we worked it out. So we're gonna try to bring this over here, and then we're gonna lay it down flat just to make sure like we don't put any tension on the legs or anything like that. And then we'll go ahead and throw the rest of this in and the chairs. So let me set y'all down. All right y'all, so we really had to work hard to get this table inside this tiny behind storage unit, but it just barely fit. So alhamdulillah. Okay y'all, so we're coming to the end of this vlog. So I really would like for y'all to comment down below what you all would like to see. So a lot of the videos are already recorded, and I'm just bringing them to you so you can understand what was going on in that time period that I was gone for. So you can expect date nights coming up, packing up the apartment, home inspections, and house tours. I'm so excited for y'all to see the house tour. And then obviously upcoming, we're going to have our decoration videos. And then I'm also traveling very soon. So, and Ramadan is coming up. So y'all are going to have so much. So please get ready and comment down below. What do you want to see? Thank you all so much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Love you. Bye. All right y'all, we got it in there. So that is a wrap. We're all done. I think that was a great purchase. We're not going to be purchasing anything else unless it's like, because you know when you go on Facebook Marketplace, you find things that are just like kind of like one of a kind. So if it's something I feel like we really should get, then we'll get it and we'll put it in here. But we're going to try not to get anything else until we actually move, because ain't nobody got time. okay? And I hope y'all enjoy. Please be sure to subscribe down below for more moving content and more lifestyle beauty content as well if you're into that. So yeah, I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye.
But you give it